Hi, I'm Paul from Motorbiking and welcome to this video of this Aprilia Tuono factory. This is a 2023 machine, one private owner from new, registered April 2023 with the remainder of the manufacturer's warranty. Just 1400 miles covered, lovely condition with a few nice extras. These include the GB Racing engine covers, the folding and adjustable levers, a nice Puig screen, and then a RNG titanium radiator guard. Well, in terms of this condition, it is absolutely spot on. You look at the front end, no stone chipping. Further down, the brakes and all the fittings, superb condition, no tarnishing. No corrosion. Wheels are in lovely condition. Up front, obviously, that radiator guard is there to protect things. And then you move round to the right-hand side. Again, all the panel work lovely and clean. RNG bar-in weights I didn't mention earlier. Further down, engine cases, lovely and tidy. No tarnishing or corrosion. You can see that exhaust downpipe, superb condition. Move further back on the original exhaust silencer. Rear wheel, lovely and clean. Glossy black paintwork. Again, all the bolts and fasteners free of any tarnishing. And then seat unit, nice and tidy. No boot marks or any damage here. You move around to the left side. Once again, condition is superb. That chain and sprockets like brand new. Nice shot of the rear shock there. Lovely and clean. You can see the exhaust collector box down there. Beautiful. Of course, you've got the quick shifter with these. On this left side, once again, lovely and tidy. Another shot of the front end. And again, super clean. All the panel work on this side, again, very tidy. Fuel tank, no marks or any damage. A rider's seat, no rips or tears. Nice tank protector fitted. Go over the top of the bike, lovely and clean. And then the cockpit area, once again, just absolutely spot on. So I'm going to quickly start the bike up for you, let you have a listen. And there you go. Well, if that's of interest, please to give us a call. The telephone number is 01202 479 125. You can email me, paul@motorbiking.co.uk. If you've got a part exchange, do let us know. We'll certainly consider it. We also offer finance. Please visit our website for finance calculators. Simply click on the advert and you'll find that calculator. You're welcome to give us a call and discuss your options too. Well, I hope the video's helped and thank you for watching.